Good morning, Dr. Knight. Happy Monday. Today, I am going to be doing the kickoff here for the fitness calendar that we're going to be releasing to you for the month of December. So what I've done here is I figured I'd bring up the calendar itself just so I could kind of go through a couple of things on it with you. This is going to be our physical education fitness calendar. If you are a person that would rather have a physical copy of this, I believe Dr. Knight will have copies of this over in the foyer. So what you're going to be doing here, starting the 1st of December, is you're going to be trying to do the activity that they have listed for that day. So for example, December 1st, jog in place for 30 seconds in every room of your home. All right. So if you do that activity, then you would basically, if you have a copy of it, you would just take a pencil and make a big X. If you have it on your iPad, you could just open it up as a PDF, and then you can just take the little pen, and then you can actually X it out as well. Your goal is to participate in every single activity for the month of December. If you are able to do that, then you are going to basically turn in a copy, whether that be in person or if you, like I said, you do it as a PDF, then you could just submit it as well to me, and we'll give you a prize when you're back in school. And you can see right down here at the very bottom of it, if you participate 3 months in a row, you can receive a small prize, maybe a water bottle. And if you participate for all 6 months in a row, then you are able to receive an extra special prize, and we're not 100% sure on what that will be. It might be a t-shirt, I'm not sure yet. Also, don't forget that we also have a healthy snack recipe. For example, this month, it's going to be ants on a log. This is something I really like, and you can basically take some celery, cut it in half, and you can put some peanut butter on it and some raisins. It's a really healthy, yummy treat, so it might be something that it could be fun to do with your parents. So good luck with your calendar. I hope it goes well, and have a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving and Christmas. We'll catch you guys soon.